Welcome to Denzel's World. I am now in Kyoto day 2 with Hayato once again. Now we're going to explore Kinkaku-ji temple. Yes, got there in the end. Yep, we're going to this place, the Gold Pavilion. Is that what it's called? The Golden Pavilion? Yes. I'm alright, I know my history. Cue choir music. Oh, wait, hang on. Ah, lots of tourists. Cue choir music. Is it real gold?
Maybe no. I think. Sorry.
Only at Golden Pavilion can you get matcha green tea with gold leaf. Tastes like ordinary matcha. Doesn't taste any different. On to the next destination. We are here at our next destination, Arashiyama, to see some monkeys. But this is a cool little tourist spot. The main attraction. Arashiyama, yes, Monkey Park. Let's go. We've been walking for a solid 15 minutes and we're almost there. And we have not seen any monkeys yet, but just wait. Chotto matte. Sure. Crikey. Look at this view. This is worth it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just casually. Come to Arashiyama Park, you get cool sights of monkeys and views like this.
Thank you.
Only in Japan. easy to walk down the hill. Oh shoot! I can't. Yep. How's video fit? The beauty of being skinny. Oh. Yoo-hoo! In the last episode, I made a huge mistake and forgot to do a massive shout out like I always do. But this time, I'm going to shout out 2 people. But it's going to be read out by my mum.
Shout out to SSJ6KC boy. Bro, keep on the grind. I like the chill vibes on your videos. Hope you get big, bro. And from Nicole Feldman, it's so beautiful there. Thank you for sharing this.
Thanks, Mum.
Welcome.
Some pretty odd stuff goes on in Japan.
Thanks, no pictures.
Oh, okay.
So,